I told Caleb, said every oil change should get a headlight restoration. I'm working on this, finishing up the Toyota. I actually forgot to do the headlight restoration. This side's sanded up as best as I can deal with for 180,000 miles. But that kind of looked like that, but the inside of that lens is dirty. So I said, let's get this wiped down.
Get your fingers under the camera.
Let's get that wiped down and I'll show you what she looked like.
It's brand new.
Not bad, right?
Well, and that's a good before for you.
And then I'll hit it one more time for good measures. And I don't like to put clear coat on because it just fakes. I would rather the customer come back every 2 years and me just be able to do this to it than have to spend hours sanding clear coat.
Yeah.
How did you get the car wash?
She looks brand new.
Now on to this stuff. See what I can do. I'm tired. I want to go home and eat.